Hi, General.
Sir,
How are you?
magandang hapon. Okay naman po sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Tanggap po kami lahat, yes.
we have good news. Kinuto ko sa iyo kanina, we just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we meet last week, no, sa Misibis.
Opo, sir.
Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na...
So,
yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th, on Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care as per instruction by our speaker, instruction by the president. Ano yan? Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom. You have to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually, we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa ano? Dadating ka ba sa
Yes,
Friday?
sir.
Oh, December 13.
Yes, sir.
Doon ang formal natin. Oh.
Opo, sir. Sa evening na siguro, sir.
Evening. Kung dadating si speaker. Speaker kami ulit na dalawa. So, we'll inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve ngayon sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAFCO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So, please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso. Kasi tayo nag-usap sa Misibis and we announce it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM. Thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and then the president will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approve yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakarating po, sir. I'll show the video to all our staff and mga sundalo po dito sa Solcom, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the milmen in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with the left, hindi totoo yan. Gawa-gawa nila yan para lang, alam mo na, yung mga budol-budol dyan. So, anyway, that's it. We're successful and thank God na tuloy to. Yeah.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you rin.
So, do you have, can we request a short Christmas message sa ating mga tao, sir, sa mga personnel natin, ng mga tropa?
Oh, yeah, sure. To all our soldiers in the ground, you have Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Dahil dito sa subsistence allowance, this would be the legacy of the BBM administration under the leadership of the House Speaker Martin Romualdez. And we appreciate your service to the nation. Lahat na tulong ninyo sa pagdepensa sa ating bansa, sa ating sovereignty, sa ating peace and order. Kinikilala po ng leadership ng House of Representatives Speaker Martin Romualdez ang inyong tulong sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating buong bansa. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat and we know matagal na itong badly needed but we just heard it last August kay Chief Browner na kung pwede maipasok. So right there and then hinabol natin to sa HGAB, then now additional of another 8 billion, naging 16 billion. So again, congratulations sa inyong lahat and hopefully sumaya ang inyong Pasko and sumaya ang inyong New Year and hopefully the life of each soldier will have an improvement. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Sir, maraming salamat po, sir. Stay
Thank
safe,
you,
sir.
thank
At
you.
Merry Christmas din po, sir, from your family dito sa Southern Luzon.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Opo, sir.
Bye.